Have you ever found yourself in the position where you need a little extra cash to take care of something, such as putting gas in your vehicle, giving the kids lunch money to go out to school, or simple as just you needing money to pay fare to get to work because you don't know payday gone and the money done? Hey extraordinary people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, please consider becoming a regular and enjoying the content and all of those tips, the work from home opportunities, the side hustles, the vlogs that I'll be presenting to you. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Nadine and I am happy to meet you. Enough said, let's go over to the screen share. The app that I'm sharing with you today is the LYNK app. So there are several uses for the LYNK app, and today I'll be highlighting two, alright? So the first one I'm going to be talking about is that you can use it to earn $250 each and every time when somebody signs up using your code. So let's say I'm going to be signing you up today to use the wallet. Right? You will get $250. I will receive $250. For every other person that you sign up, they will get $250 and you in turn will get $250, right? Now the other way that I want to talk about, and I'm sure that maybe a lot of persons aren't even aware of this as well, is that you can use it for remittance purposes. So when friends and family members from overseas send you money, you no longer have to go and join those long lines. All you have to do is use the reference code that is given to you, and there's a section in the app where you can input that and the money is transferred straight into your LYNK wallet, and you in turn can send it into your bank account. I made a small note that I'm just going to be reading quickly. So when someone sends you money, right, you're going to go to your LYNK wallet, you're going to click on more from your LYNK screen, go to remittance and verify your information. Enter your MoneyGram reference, swipe up to collect the money straight to your phone. Alright, and if it is possible, I will try to do a follow-up video with that information. So that was just basically a little note that I read for you guys. So for each and every time you sign somebody up to this LYNK app, you will get 250 Jamaican dollars. Use this code to sign up, and as soon as you're finished signing up, you will receive that $250 in your account, in your digital payment wallet. And of course, this is after your account has been verified and approved. So let me walk you through the steps. Make sure that you're watching this video all the way to the end. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification so that when I post out videos like this, you will be notified. As you might have seen on the slide, you need to download the app through the Google Play Store or the App Store. As you see on this list of where it says download LYNK to your smartphone, which I just told you about. Step 2, verify your identity with your driver's license, your passport, or your national ID. The third step is to connect your bank and deposit your money into your LYNK account. Or even if you have not deposited any money into your account, it could be the monies that you earned giving persons your sign-up code. And number 4, send and receive money with LYNK. So I'm going to assume that you have downloaded the app, right? So we are at the sign-up page. And on the sign-up page, it says your phone is all you need to use LYNK. Start setting up your account. So you'll be required to put in your Jamaican phone number in the field that you see there. All right, it says enter mobile number. By submitting, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions. So go ahead and check out the terms and conditions that are listed on the page as well. And then the section will be highlighted where it says verify your number. And as a part of the verification, they will send you a code that you will need to put in, and then you will proceed with the rest of information. In this section, you're required to put in your personal information. It says here, we need some personal information to finish the registration. So there are 3 sections. You're going to put your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. All right. So at the date of birth section, there is a format. First, you put in the year, then the month, and then the day. After you're through with that, it will be highlighted and then you hit that continue button. Extraordinary people, let me point out, please do not write any fake name when you're putting in the information, right? Because remember now, we just spoke about the means of identification that they require of you, whether your passport, your driver's license, or your ID. Make sure that you're putting in your given names. Moving it right along, we're getting there, family. So this section, it says, let's link with you. To secure your account, we're going to ask you to take a video of yourself. After all, nothing's more secure than your face. It will make it much easier to regain access to the app if your device, PIN, or other information is lost. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to start the validation process. You'll be required to take a photograph, and of course, your TRN number is going to be required to complete the process. Basically, guys, it is simple, it is straightforward. So all you have to do is follow all those steps and instructions and you're good to go. I found this amazing article on the GIS website, and it speaks to an uptick in the number of persons using LYNK digital wallet for remittances. So feel free to pause the video and read the article, or go over to the GIS website and view the information that is presented there. Okay, family, thank you so much for your support. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment down below. I'm still here. For watching today's video. It was a pleasure to have you here on my channel. If you have found some value in today's content, then please consider being a regular on the channel. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please share out the videos. Make sure that you're going down into the comments and expressing how this is working out for you if you have decided to try. Now, I know that you may not be interested in referrals, but as I mentioned previously, you can use it for remittance purposes. So either way, please go ahead and use my code to sign up, whether you want to be referring persons and earning from this platform, or you just want it for the purpose of collecting remittances from your friends and family members overseas. Until my next video, I wish for you a good week or a good weekend. Thank you so much for watching. There are other videos on the channel, and also remember that I have an account over on TikTok as well, and all socials. I am NMC's World. So whether you're on Instagram, whether you're here on YouTube, whether you're on TikTok, whether you're on Facebook, you can find me at all socials at NMC's World. Thank you so much for watching.
NMC's World, extraordinary people from around